What is that, Max? Max, what is that? What is it, Sally? Lucy. She's gonna be right back, I promise. Just be quiet and listen. Where's the pig to squeal? Hey, piggy pig! I just had to wait for that one. What is that? What's that noise? What the fuck? It's like a drill or a saw. Her motorcycle? Oh.